Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video for you where we will be exploring the latest trend in living room design, focusing on light color palettes. If you are looking to transform your living space into a bright and eerie haven, you have come to the right place. Let's dive right in. To create a trendy living room, it's important to start with the right color palette. Light colors such as white, pastels, and soft neutrals can instantly brighten up any space. Let's see how. In this first example, we have a stunning living room with the white walls, light gray furniture, and pops of pastel accent. The combination of these light colors creates a sense of serenity and spaciousness, perfect for a modern and trendy look. Once you have your light color palette in place, it's time to select right furniture and arrange it to maximize the space. Let's take a look at some ideas. Here we have a minimalist approach with a light colored sofa complemented by a glass coffee table and a sleek entertainment unit. This arrangement not only creates an open and airy feel but also allows natural light to flow freely. Another popular trend is incorporating with the natural element in the living room. Imagine a light colored rattan chair paired with a woven rug and a touch of greenery. It brings a refreshing vibe to the space, evoking a sense of nature indoors. To complete your trendy living room, don't forget about the power of stylish accessories. They can add personality and depth to your space. Let's see some examples. In this living room, we see how a statement wall art piece can become the focal point. It adds a pop of color to the light surrounding and become a conversation starter. Light, light-colored curtains and rugs with subtle pattern can also elevate the overall look. They add texture and visual interest to the room without overwhelming the light color scheme. Lastly, let's talk about lighting and those final finishing touch that brings your living room to life. Consider installing adjustable lighting fixture to create different modes throughout the day. So, warm lights in the evening can provide a cozy atmosphere, while brighter light during the day can enhance the brightness of your space. Finally, don't underestimate the impact of decorative items such as plants, vases, and books. They can add a personal touch and create a lively feeling to your trendy living room. And that's a wrap of our trendy living room ideas in light color design video. We hope you find inspiration for transforming your own living room. Remember, light colors throughout furniture choices, stylish accessories, proper lighting, and those finishing touches are the key to achieving a trendy and inviting living room.